What's up, YouTube? Today we got a pair of Air Force Ones, Travis Scott edition. We're gonna try to restore and get right today.
Let's go, bitch!
Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by taking out the laces.
Oh, 3M lace is cool.
You know, the usual. And as well with the checks, because you know we trying to clean them too. Alright, on this step you're gonna have to scrub, dry, scrub, dry. You could really use any shoe cleaner out there, but just don't use bleach or any harsh chemicals. You can use laundry detergent, dish soap, you know, whatever that cleans, go for it. You know, just keep scrubbing, that's the goal. And after they dry, you're gonna let them completely dry and then go back again and scrub. Oh, and don't forget the insides too.
Let's go, bitch!
Look, we have the client right here. Let me see. I don't know if you can see that, but this is stain, and on top of this paint, those weren't able to get out. You know, you don't paint this type of fabric. For all the people out there, you know, that's a complete no. Don't paint that. Just clean them. It's patience and it's time. It takes time to get clean, you know. But other than that, just wrap them up.
Alright guys, so I got them laced up, looking nice, fresh and clean. Best thing I can say when cleaning the shoe is just keep scrubbing till the stains are gone. And you know, hopefully the stains come off. Some stains will come off, some stains won't, but you know, just try your best and see what happens. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.